What y'all think? Very easy. Vito, it's a baby. What you doing, little man? Hey, boo. Well, who are you? Well, hello. What is with you? What you got? A bell on your collar?